What is going on, everybody? It is a gorgeous day here in Boise. We are down here at the rag company with the Unibody doing a wash video. They're putting Shawn and Mark to work immediately, so let's go and see what they're up to. Alright guys, the rag company is done working their magic on the Unibody. It looks absolutely amazing.
I want to see it in the sun. I gotta get the...
Yeah, we gotta see it in the sun. Oh my god, that looks just absolutely superb. Dude, come on.
That's cool.
Hey, shut up. God. Alright guys, we have just pulled into Bart's studio. He's getting everything set up to work his magic on it. It absolutely looks amazing in this studio. So we'll just check on out and let Bart do his thing. We are all wrapped up here at Bart's studio. The truck looks absolutely phenomenal. I did not think it could possibly look better than it did, but it does. It just, the way it looks in that studio is just fantastic. I cannot wait for you guys to see these cars in person. They are awesome. But until then, catch you guys next time.